In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your workspace in Google Slides by managing the menu and toolbar visibility effectively. Whether you're presenting to a crowd or working on a detailed design, having a clean and focused screen can make all the difference. Let's dive right in and learn how you can achieve this in just a couple of easy steps. First, let's talk about how you can hide the menu bar while keeping the shortcut toolbar visible. This is a quick and simple way to declutter your view without losing access to those essential shortcuts you might use frequently. To begin, direct your attention to the top right corner of the slides window. You'll notice an up arrow. This little icon is your key to minimizing the menu bar. Click on it, and magically, the menu bar vanishes, leaving you with only the shortcut toolbar. This streamlined view gives you more screen real estate to focus on your presentation content. It's particularly useful when you need to maximize your working area without completely hiding the handy shortcuts that can streamline your work process. Now, suppose you're after an even cleaner look and want to hide everything, including the toolbar. In that case, going full screen is the way to go. Full screen mode is perfect when you're presenting or when you need an uninterrupted view to refine your slides without any distractions. To activate this mode, navigate to the top of your screen. You'll see a tab labeled View. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find the full screen option. Select it, and just like that, your presentation fills the entire display, leaving nothing but your slides in sight. While working in full screen mode, you might want to familiarize yourself with a couple of keyboard shortcuts, as these can make navigating your slides a breeze without the toolbar. However, when it's time to exit back to normal view, there's one simple key you need to remember: the Escape key. Pressing Escape will exit the full screen mode and return you to the standard view where you can access all menu options and toolbars again. Remember, being able to toggle between these views effectively can enhance your productivity and presentation style significantly. Whether you're deep in the creative process or in front of an audience, this knowledge can help keep your work endeavor free from unwanted distractions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your content. By adopting these simple yet effective steps, you ensure your Google Slides workspace remains as organized and distraction-free as possible, whether you're crafting a masterpiece or showcasing your ideas to others. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.